Before starting, you need to put on the gloves. Safety first. Welcome to our CryoVR training module. In this section, you will learn about the operation of the Virtobot. Let's begin. Before starting, you need to put on the gloves. Safety first. Then we need to wear the safety coat. It's located on your left-hand side. Touch the coat to equip it. Now put on the goggles. They will also prevent you from some dangerous conditions. Again, safety first. Now we need to pick up the workstation. It is in the hood. Move it to the table for future operation. Good job. Now you need to pick up the doer. It is located on your right-hand side. Before pouring liquid nitrogen, you need to remove the cap. Now you need to pour liquid nitrogen into workstation. After adding nitrogen, lid the cap of doer. Now the workstation is cold enough. And then add the ethane to the workstation. You will see the green ethane tank on the left. Now pick up the ethane dispensing tip on the left side of the tank. Then insert ethane tip into the workstation. Locate the mini knob on the back of the tank. Touch the mini knob to turn on. Keep filling until the ethane cup is 100% full. Then reset tip to the ethane tank. Touch the mini knob to turn off. Rotate the big knob clockwise. Now locate the petri dish. Remove the cover of petri dish. You can see the grid. Locate the tweezer, and grab it. Now use the tweezer to pick the grid up. After you get the grid, don't forget to lid the petri dish. Now attach the tweezer to the plunger. Touch the point on the screen to raise the plunger. Find the pipette on your right side and pick it up. Lower the pipette into the sample tube on the left. You will pick up 3 microliters of sample to add to your grid. Use the pipette to touch the grid through the side entry port. Carefully touch the grid to add your sample. Pick up the workstation on the left, and insert it into the Virtobot as indicated. Touch the button on the screen to raise the workstation. Use the touch screen to start the freezing process. Okay, now we are going to transfer your grid to a grid box for storage. Grab the tweezers and slowly detach it from the plunger. Make sure the grid is always submerged or close to the liquid nitrogen. Now insert the grid into the grid box. Okay, now look at the silver-colored freeze doer on your right-hand side. Pour liquid nitrogen into that to freeze it. Now pick up the grid box tweezer. Put it in the freeze doer and wait for 5 seconds. Note that in the real world it may take about 30 seconds. Great. Now we can pick up the plastic tube in the storage doer. The storage doer is located on the ground. Then put the plastic tube into the freeze doer to keep its temperature. Let's pick up the grid box by using the grid box tweezer. The grid box is located in the workstation. Now we can put the grid box into the plastic tube. We have reached the last step. Let's put the plastic tube back to storage doer. Then cap the doer with its cover. Okay, let's put the workstation back to the hood. Good job. Now you have completed the whole Virtobot CryoVR training module. Hope to see you next time. Have a good day.